Hi students. For chapter 2 in your text you learned about variable statements and expressions, and variables are very important in writing Python and in programming languages. I hope you enjoyed chapter 2. It did get more interactive with the where you could write the code, change the code, run the code, and that will continue throughout the rest of the book. So here I wanted to just make sure for your homework, because you're going to be writing your first programs this week, to include the pseudocode. So here, this is a program, to write a program that uses input to prompt a user for their name and then welcomes them by name. So when you write your pseudocode, use these comments. The comment out symbol is the hashtag. So this file is just a plain text file, and this is, I'm using Atom to write, to edit. You can use whatever editor that you like, but I'll show you why I like Atom. So this is a file called hello. It's just a simple text file. We need to make it into a Python file, so we do file save as, and I have to add the file extension .py, and I'm saving it on my desktop. There is I just ran through this before, so there's already one there, and I'm just replacing it. So now look what happens. We get these pretty colors. And it basically, these different colors, we've got the name is white, that's the variable. We're recreating it by calling this function input. All functions are followed by parentheses and then something, parameter inside the parentheses. This is a string, and it's yellow. This is also a string here. And you notice I have single quotes and double quotes. It really doesn't matter. If you want to use, you can use, they're interchangeable in Python 3. And then we have another function, print, which is used very often, and then it's followed by a string, and then it's also followed by the variable. So whichever variable we get with this this input function, that's what we'll print. So there's two ways to run this. You can run this in your terminal, and I'm just going to clear function will clear your terminal up to the top. So so you can run this, just you have to call Python 3. And then you've got, here's your interpreter. We know it's the interpreter. I'll make this bigger. We'll know this is the interpreter because it's got the 3 chevrons, right? And if you're wondering why my terminal is blue, it's because I changed the color of it. And you can do that. Now I'm using blue. I used to use the homebrew background, but you can change the color of your text. It's pretty cool. I think you just go to preferences up here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so these are the different cool themes that you can do. But getting back to the code, so if I type in name equals input, enter name, and then I hit enter. I enter my name, and then I will do print hello, and then my name, the name variable, right? So then the computer will print that, hello Catherine. The other way, and to get out of this, it's Control D. That will bring it back. The other way to do this is to run the file through the terminal. And I think it's good to get used to both ways, but I think you will, as your programs get longer, it makes more sense to run the file through the terminal using Python. So the first thing you have to do is just the command to have Python run, and then you hit space, and then you just simply type in your file number, your file, where your script is. So I do that, and then I enter my name. There should put a space here, actually. I can do that. Enter your name space. If we put a space up here, you can even put like a colon and then a space, then this wouldn't be so close together. I should have done that. So then enter your name. My name's Catherine. So it says hello, Catherine. So those are two ways to run your code. So when you do your assignment for this week and you create your programs, make sure your programs work. They run. You could run them through the interpreter. You can run them as a file using your terminal. So I guess that's all I really wanted to show you. By reading the chapter, you should have a pretty good understanding, and you will be able to write your programs. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to it, and this is exciting. Your first programs with me in this class. So having said that, I will see you online.